Oh, hi! So, there's stuff in my room? I'm at a desk. Right now. Yeah, I'm at a desk. That, over there, that's my sleeping area. Yeah. I thought it'd be cool to do something different. So I put my room back together. Yeah. Put my feathers back again. You guys never saw the feathers, but if you watched my personal channel, you probably saw the feathers. I love my feathers. Okay, so today is Sunday. Yeah, can you believe that? It's Sunday. Next Saturday is Christmas. Okay, but today is Sunday, and got a like guest coming over. And we're going to watch movies, and we're going to eat, and we're going to sing songs. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah. So it's gonna be pretty cool. You know what? No. This needs to be silent movie. I want to do a silent movie. It's gonna be like a really quick. I'm gonna do a challenge to you, Bria and Sarah, and then I'm gonna do a little in silent movie mode. So, cue the awesome music. Yeah, cue the awesome music.